All right, buckle up, folks. Today we're tackling a beast, the 2023 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This isn't just a car. It's an icon, a speed demon, a legend. But let's face it, it's seen better days. Under this tarp lies heartbreak. Let's take a look. Here she is, a GT500 that looks like it lost a battle with time. Scratched paint, cracked splitter, and an engine that hasn't roared in months. But don't worry, this beauty is about to get the ultimate glow up. Step 1, strip her down to bare metal. Every panel, every bolt, every piece of dirt comes off. It's like peeling an onion, except this onion has 760 horsepower buried underneath. And what do we find in the trunk? A family of squirrels. Hey, at least someone's been enjoying this ride. Step 1, strip her down to bare metal. Every panel, every bolt, every piece of dirt comes off. It's like peeling an onion, except this onion has 760 horsepower buried underneath. And what do we find in the trunk? A family of squirrels. Hey, at least someone's been enjoying this ride. The Shelby's heart is its 5.2-liter supercharged V8, an absolute monster. But this one's been neglected. Hours of cleaning, rebuilding, and tuning later, it's finally back to its original glory. When we crank this bad boy up, trust me, it's going to blow your mind. Next up, the body. Years of abuse have left this Mustang scarred, but not for long. Sanding, priming, and now the showstopper, its iconic twister orange paint. Add those black racing stripes and bam! This car is a traffic-stopping masterpiece. Piece by piece, the GT500 comes back together, brand new carbon fiber wheels, a spoiler sharp enough to cut air, and an interior dripping with luxury. Leather seats, a digital cockpit, and more tech than a spaceship. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's bring this beast back to life. That's the sound of America, ladies and gentlemen. Pure, unfiltered power. Here it is, the fully restored 2023 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. From a forgotten shell to a jaw-dropping legend, the roar of that V8, the shine of that orange paint. This car doesn't just drive, it dominates. What car should we restore next? Drop your suggestions in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe.